back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is another one of those jobs where if you have great customer skills, you can listen in to phone calls of other customer service representatives and then give your feedback and score those phone calls. So there's completely no talking in this job. Best of all, this company is offering daily pay. The company is Concentra Solutions. They're hiring a customer experience quality auditor. This is remote for the United States only. It does say this is a full-time position. All employees enjoy daily pay, and then they offer full-time benefit package after 90 days that includes your health, dental, vision, life insurance. Now, real quickly before we get into the job, I just want to share that on Glassdoor, this company only has 9 reviews, and not the greatest reviews at that. They have a score of 2.8 out of 5 stars. Now, normally I do not share anything that is under 3 stars because you're always going to have people that like a job and people that don't. That's just human nature. But there's not a lot of reviews on this company, so please make sure you do your own research before giving them any of your personal information. But looking at some of the reviews, a lot of them are about the pay. This one rated it low because it said pay could be better. Another one rated it as saying the pay is not good, and another one said minimum hourly wage. So most of the bad reviews are because of the pay. Now, Glassdoor also has a salary page. Of course, salaries for not every job is listed, but looking at the salary page, they have 2 people who submitted their salaries for quality assurance, and they made anywhere from $44,000 to $72,000 a year. And then our job is called a quality assessor. They did have one person who worked as a quality assessor for this company that submitted their salary to Glassdoor, and they made anywhere from $52,000 to $80,000 a year. So then when I was looking at that, I was like, I don't consider that pay bad. Of course, I don't know that that's what this company will offer, so I thought I would share and let you make your own decisions there. Of course, the links to all of these pages that I'm sharing are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But if you are still interested in this position, given that information, they're looking for a quality assessor to evaluate pre-recorded phone calls to ensure call compliance and assess the quality of the customer service experience. So you're doing this after the fact, after the call has happened. It is recorded and you're going to listen to it and then make some judgment calls. Did the customer service rep do what they needed to do? Did they follow the company's policies and procedures? Did the customer leave the phone call with their issue resolved and being satisfied? You're going to be trained on multiple client programs and expected to transition between various programs within the day. So basically, you're monitoring these calls, listening and evaluating those customer service agents. You're going to have to meet operational metrics and goals, have a clear understanding, of course, of their policies and procedures, and keep up with all the client products, scoring criteria, updates, all of that. So you will perform that monitoring and feedback with the customer service agent. Now, as far as what they're requiring, a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is needed. They are looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. And they're looking for somebody who has problem-solving abilities, someone who can be customer service focused, great listening skills, and high personal standard of quality. Of course, you have to have great writing skills too, including spelling, grammar, and punctuation. All right, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. If you found this job lead helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.